Being a woman in the snowmobile world is pretty awesome because you go places that not a lot of people see, and you're riding out there with a lot of good riders, guys, on big powerful machines. Anytime after work, I love to just go home, load up my sleds, drive half an hour to the parking lot, unload, and go unwind, because that is a perfect day for me. Snowmobiling is not just a hobby or a way to pass time. It is a lifestyle for me. It's a way of life, and it feels very empowering. I meet a lot of friends that have become more like sisters. We even go out on our own a lot of the times. So yeah, it's pretty cool.